Hello loves, and welcome to my channel. In today's video I'm going to share with you how I made this crochet wig using braiding hair. Yes, I made this wig out of a braiding hair. Very affordable, cheap wig. The braiding hair I bought is about £2.50, looking very expensive whilst it's not. So follow me today as I show you the steps that I use in making today's wig, and I hope you will like it. If you do like today's video and if you are new, make sure you subscribe to my channel and put the bell notification on. In that way, anytime I upload, you'll be notified. This is the braiding hair that I use. I think it's ultra. It made the hair really soft, making it look as if it's human hair. The hair looks so beautiful. This is the hair. I'm going to divide it into 2 equal parts. After cutting it into 2 equal parts, I'm going to cut each of the sections into another 2 parts, meaning I'm going to get 4 parts of hair out of this, and I'm going to join them and then feather them when I finish doing that. And then I'm going to start with my hair. What I mean by feathering is straightening the hair, making it all look like very smooth at the end and not look straight like this. So that's how I do it. I have a video on this that I did, how I show you how to feather the hair, all of it, so you can check that video out. This one I'm going to cut it off because it takes a few time to do this. So this is how it's going to look. Finish with my hair. That's 4 pieces of it. Now I section it into little portions. The things I'm going to need for this hair today are these beads. I'm going to use my scissors in case I need to cut anything. The wig cap I'm using is a size medium, depending on the size of your head. And then I'm going to use my comb or my brush. This is from Denman. That's a little brush. And I'm going to use my crochet pin. That's 2 crochet pins. One is black and this one, which is bigger than the black one. So I'm using these 2 sizes in case I need them. I'm going to use these pins to secure the wig, that is the wig, onto the head of the mannequin. To start, I easily take one bundle of the hair and fold it. This is how it is looking. This is one bundle and I have 3 of this left. So I'm just going to section a bit of hair each time that I go in. I put my crochet through. I pick up a hole, I pass my hair through, and then I close the pin, and then I bring it out. Open this, it's open, and then I pass this through, and I tight it very well, and that is it. That's my hair stuck to the root of the wig. Make sure you secure it very tightly. I'm going to do this one up in the back here so that you can see directly actually what I'm doing. I put the needle through a hole, bring it out, collect a hair or all the hair that is in my hand, close it, try and bring it out. This is how it's looking when I bring it out. I'll leave it, release it. It's that the space is open there. I pass my hand through and I collect this hair that is in my hand. I pass it through and I tight it very well. You see, it's so secure and tight. This is so good. Done. That's it. And I'm going to do the rest all over the head. This is a zoom closer. The smaller the portion of or section of hair that you take is, the tighter the knot will be when you do it. So I'm going to put this small amount of hair there, pass the hair through, close the pin, pull it out, open this and bring this one out and tie the knot. You see that the knot of this smaller one is different from the knot here. The knot of the bigger hair sized one is not that smooth like the smaller one, so you can see a great difference between them. Thank you for watching this easy crochet week tutorial. I hope it was helpful to you. Make sure you subscribe to my channel if you like this video. Give it a thumbs up. Also leave a comment down below and I'll be back to reply you. Thank you for joining me today and see you in my next video. Bye.